All right, riders and learners, today we're going to be checking out how to change the spark plugs on your Triumph Street Twin. Come on by. All right, folks, so we're going to be switching out the spark plugs on this Triumph Street Twin. So we're going to take a walk over to my, what do you want to call it? Parking spot garage. And I'm going to let you in on how we do this. All right, my parking spot garage. This is more or less where I do just about everything, which is right outside the apartment. All right, folks, so a few things you're gonna need. I have my torque wrench here set at 20 Newton meters, 14 millimeter top right here, and you're obviously going to need the NGK plugs. Now, I'll give you the specific product order number or product number, LMAR 8A9, but I'll put that in the video. So let's get to it. All right, so right here are the spark plugs. There's one on each side. All you really have to do is pull it out, unscrew it, and put it back in safely. It's aluminum, so I wouldn't suggest getting too crazy with it. But try and memorize, this is the point of where it's secured in safely, so when you push it back in, that's how it should look. All right, so first order of business is to pull this out, and I think it, oh Jesus, let's see how hard this is. And it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be that hard. Let's hope to God it is not. There it is. Perfect. Alright, so it is out. And boom. Alright, so from this point, you just pull it over to the side. I'm going to do a little bit like that. And then what I was, if I can get this off, what I was taught to do is to make sure you're putting this on top first, so you make sure it's locked properly. All right, boom, boom, boom. I think 14 should be fine. And then putting it on from there. But first, all right, so let's see what we got. There we go. All right, that wasn't too bad. In fact, I think I can do the rest by hand. Yes, I can. Perfect. And something to remember, these NGK plugs are bike specific, so you need to be careful with what you're purchasing, or you're going to have to just purchase something new. And also, it's aluminum. Jeez, this is taking some time. It's aluminum, so you want to be careful when you're taking them out and when you're putting them in. These spark plugs, from my knowledge, can last 8,000 to 10,000 miles. Now, I'm getting close to 8,000. Jeez, this is still going. But I decided, since I've done the 6,000-7,000 mile service, I'm just gonna go ahead and and do this too, because why not? Why not? If I can actually finally get this off. This is taking forever. All right. So this is what a used plug looks like. Now, it doesn't look too bad. See, this is the product number, LMAR8A9 NGK plug. It still looks good, but I just said, hey, every 7,000 to 8,000 miles, these cost about $12 a pop, about $24 for a set of 2. There is no reason not to just go ahead and just replace it right now. So that's what we'll do. And just turn it. All right, that's all you got to do. Just turn it in. Do most of it by hand like we did before. Probably speed this up here. Come. There's a squirrel looking to attack me right now. At this point, I'm just gonna finish it off. All right, you heard the click and it's done. It's fully in. All you gotta do, put this on the same way. If I can get this damn thing in there. And we're done. That's it. Now you just do the same thing with the other side. And it'll be good to go. Put them on both sides the exact same way. Pushed it down all the way so you can see it's fully connected the way it was. And the only other thing I would recommend you doing is always to see if the bike's even going to turn on. All right, now that is on. Now let's see if it fully starts. All right, folks, so another project is done. NGK spark plugs are in. Old ones are out. Leave a comment, subscribe, like it, give some recommendations if you have any recommendations for myself or for other folks. But if not, see y'all next time.